Good morning, everyone. Boys, Diariya Pagalo. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of the life in Gavadur and how the people have lived here for centuries. And let's go. Mr. Mubarak, our friend. He's a local from Gavadur and he's going to be taking us around and he's going to be our guide for today. Now Mubarak here is telling me that this used to be this is an ancient market where people used to bring the goods on camels. You can also see some goats. And people who bring them here, they sell them and then take fish and other goods. It used to be a market where the barter system was quite active, but now that has gone down and petrodollar has taken over. These are some of the old shops and godowns of the old city of Gavadur. Infrastructure is quite weak. There are no roads. If you look at Gavadur, it lies at one of the most strategic places in the world. But this is the condition of the locals. There is a massive shortfall of electricity and there is no clean drinking water. Small marks of history, how they used to light up the area. This can collapse any time. Behind me is the Gavadur port. The trucks are going to come from here and they are going to travel right till the port. All these homes are supposed to be removed and the people are uncertain. They don't know where they will be moved. And here's some music in the background. They've told me that this is a music club. Let's go and see. Last song that they sang, they said it was about a long lost love, and the person who's singing it is waiting for his love to come back. They haven't made a song on CPAC as yet. This is something quite unusual. The fisher folk have a music club. Local folklore, folk songs of Gavadur. Well, that was a lovely treat to the ears, and now we are again on the streets. Completely deserted. This building is historically quite significant. They told me that it used to be an office of the East India Company. Mubarak here is telling me that this was a center of business and business activity. There used to be a lot of Indian businessmen here, and in the times of the Omani kingdom, then this office that you can see behind me there, it was used by the British during their time, before the partition of the subcontinent, and now this is what is left of it. This is inside the remains. This used to be their office, the East India Company. Oopsie daisy. Mubarak is telling me that no one lives here naturally because it's unlivable, the place. Khandrat hai bhai, Khandrat. But the land is on the name of the local people, but they're hoping to get some kind of a compensation. Once the trade activity starts, all of this land, this strip of land is going to be developed. But at the moment, they say that the government has not come to them, they haven't spoken to them, but they're waiting. They're very poor people. They live on fishery. They only get about 50 rupees or 100 rupees, which is 50 cents or a dollar, which is nothing for a family of at least 7 or 8 people. Now they're fearing that they might be taken away from sea, they might be relocated somewhere else. They don't know anything else. They don't know how to work in factories. They're saying that there should be vocational institutions, there should be schools, so that the next generation can become a part of the mega project. They say that it is their, the first right is theirs and it should be given to them. This is one of the oldest hotels here, a tea stall where all the elders and the local fisher folk gather for tea in the afternoons and in the evenings, and they talk about their future. Let's see what they have to tell us. Very dangerous. I can smell the gas. We're going to talk to boys here. Chinese mansuba aa raha hai, iske bare mein kya कहेंगे? खुश हैं कि उदास हैं? नुकसान क्या हुआ?
बिजली नहीं है, नुकसान नहीं है, आबादी बढ़ गई है, महंगाई बढ़ गई है।
अच्छा,
ताबोस जो से तरक्की का नाम है नहीं, हम है माहीगीर।
हाँ ठीक है।
हमको माहीगीरी ताबोस नहीं मिल रहा है। वो जो मच्छी का रेट है वो हमें नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ हमें खाने के लिए मिलता है। बाकी सब फैक्ट्री वालों का है, यहाँ के दलालों का है, सेठों का है।
तो एक दिन में तकरीबन आपके कितने पैसे बन जाते हैं?
ये समंदर एक हवाई चीज़ है,
कभी है कभी
नहीं, कभी है कभी नहीं है।
This used to be a fort during the Omani kingdom, and I've been told that all the prisoners that they used to catch from sea, they used to put them here.
कभी आएगा अच्छा वाला? मैं कह रहा हूँ यहाँ पे डॉक्टर कभी आएगा सही इलाज करने वाला?
कभी नहीं आया?
कभी भी नहीं आया। हमारा पैर में अभी हम कराची गए, ठीक हो गया। देखो ये देखो।
आपका क्या नाम है?
अली मोहम्मद।
Ali Mohammed is saying that he has never seen a doctor here in Gwadar. His toe was injured and he had to go to Karachi to get it fixed. Inside this old building, we're going to the rooftop to get a top view of the old city. Assalamu alaikum. We've just entered a house without the permission of this gentleman, Mr. Faiz Muhammad. This one. And he's really pissed off. He's saying that, you know, I thought that he was just a normal guy from the tea shop, but he's saying that it's his house, and I've apologized to him. Asif, yaar, tu pooch ke nahi aaya tha? It was built in 1904, this building. A sign of the British construction. जनाब अभी नाराज तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर,
हमें लगा कि ये अंग्रेजों की बिल्डिंग है, इसकी छत पे चढ़ जाऊं। मैं नहीं पता था आपकी बिल्डिंग है। ये सारा जवाद का इस बंदे का कसूर है। नहीं मेरे से आगे बहुत। There's something very interesting that I would want to share with everyone. Whenever I go anywhere for a shoot, every single time, I come across this one person who becomes the director of my film. I call him Sayyid Noor, and there is a Sayyid Noor everywhere I go. You know what I'm talking about. He would tell me where to get the shots from. He basically knows the story that I'm trying to tell. He's well prepared. I'll show you today Sayyid Noor. He's this guy. Sayyid Noor साहब, तुसी ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਲ नहीं कर रहा मैं. Easy हो जाओ. This is Khuda Bakhsh Halwai. He says that this shop is centuries old. A special sweet made from desi ghee. I'm going to try some.
रफ्ता है, चीनी है, बादाम है, जौज है, जवंतरी है, पूरे वल्डर हो।
गवादरी हलवा तूने खाया? हाँ, बहुत ज़बरदस्त. I'm going to have some Gawadri halwa. It's really hot and it's like jellyfish. Thank you.
ये इनके वालिद साहब ने शुरू की थी।
आज से तकरीबन 50 साल हुई ना, 50-60
This is Sayyid Noor I was talking about. आपका नाम क्या है यार?
अली आकिब।
अली आकिब साहब। यार बहुत मजे का हलवा है। It's delicious.
अंदर कहाँ से जाते हैं?
अंदर का सर रास्ते।
Seems this lock, when it was locked, it has never been opened after that. ये इधर अब अंदर नहीं हमें जाने दे रहे।
रहने देंगे?
कोई सीढ़ी मिड़ी कोई चोर रास्ता भी नहीं है। Unfortunately, we will not be able to go inside the fortress. This could have easily become a tourist resort. It is so similar to the bazaars of the Middle East. Still, the remains are here, the arches. It's beautiful, but look at the condition. Shri Krishna Mandir.
Yes, ये मंदिर है।
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. शुक्रिया भी खाया। They're telling me that there were two bazaars like this. One was in Muscat. In Muscat.
मथुरा बाजार।
It was called the Mathura Bazaar, and this one is in Gwadar. इसका क्या नाम था यार?
शाही बाजार।
It was called the Shahi Bazaar. But they're saying that they maintained the bazaar in Muscat, but here unfortunately things aren't the same. The architecture is absolutely, it's going to fall any time now. It's waiting for the next sea storm. This is the Ismailis Jamaat Khana. We're trying to get permission because you can only enter the fortress from here. Anji, क्या चल रहा है?
उससे परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा।
हाँ ना।
We have to get permission from the Imam. We're not allowed. This was a hospital in the times gone by, and
This guy.
our director Sayyid Noor Saab, aka Ali, he was born here. And look at the condition of the hospital now. अच्छे टाइम पे पैदा हो गए यार। Boys, ठीक ठाक हैं आप लोग? Very good. This is a 100-year-old school. ये कब बंद किया है?
1905 से लेकर 2005 तक।
From 1905 to 2005, we can still see the remains of this boy and girl. So hot. यार पानी दे भाई, सारा खुद पी रहा।
यार नियो पानी है नियो।
ये चैनल भी है ना।
ना 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 हीट स्ट्रोक यूं होगा आपको ना करें। खबरदार, ये क्या कर रहा है? He's going to put water on his face and on his neck. He's going to get really really sick. Don't do it. This is the 5th day since we're here. I'm missing home. I'm missing my boys. Whenever I look at these kids while shooting, I really miss you, Zaim and Bunny. Just want to finish up with my work and just get back to the boys and give them a hug and take them for swimming.
And lollipop from Multan.
Lollipop from Multan for Bunny. These people are very welcoming. They're very hospitable. All they need is for the government to look after them. They will give out their hearts. They're very, very poor people and they need our help. Yes, the projects are coming, but they will only be successful once the local population is looked after properly. So this brings us to the end of the yet another video, and I hope you liked this tour inside the old Gwadar city, the ancient markets and the trading area. That's all. I think in another 10 years you won't be seeing these deserted buildings. There will be much more than this, but this is how life goes on. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and goodbye, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.